kunalo muntu lo compose lo music nalo muntu lo bhalela ama music lama lyrics. Take for example the song Memeza. Noma ungamemeza ma. Umuntu lo compose ingoma is different from lo hlabela ingoma. So ingoma iba nama-side lamabili. Iside lekuqala kune-composition yayo, le melody, le progression, le beat. Bese seyiba ne-master. I-master-ke is now the recorded sound word. So lokho lokubhala imithiko ngesandla, Brenda soyakurekhoda-ke manje under the booth, he produced what we call a sound recording, which is also called a master. So sound recording and a master means exactly the same thing. Do you understand? When you record your music, you must have these split sheets in place. Because if you don't have a split sheet in place, then you must hope and pray that ngoma yakho ingabi big. Because ingaba big, bolindela batayidlala kusakatela. I-accumulate ama-royalties. Bese bommeli, I know Mmeli was here yesterday. Sebayayibhadala njengoba mmeli amele kunibhadala. But awubhadala bobani bommeli mangabe we don't have clarity ukuthi ngibani lo bhalela ama-lyrics, ngibani lo wendele composition. Are you with me? So, noma ungakhohlwa konke ke ngikukhulumile namuhla, mawungakhumbula nje one thing. Mawungena e-studio ungaphumi ungayiphathi split sheet that shows ukuthi who did the composition, who did the lyrics, nekuthi master i-owner ngubani. Are we together? Are you happy?
Kune-Goda Network, for example, whereby ithatha i-performer yalakangwa ihambe i-perform ema-festivals kule regions. So baperforme eMozambique, baperforme eSouth Africa, baperforme e-Reunion Island. So thina sizama lokuthi si-recommende bantu sithi nangu ama-options kangwa lesinabo lesike sasebenza nabo lesicabanga ukuthi ningabathanza ngalapho ngakini. Bathathe-ke bahambe kule network baperforme. So ikhona leyo program leyo. And lenye lesile siqalile collaboration where lapho khona sihlanganisa ama-artists from amavela ahlukene basebenze kanye kanye bakhe umusic. So une-application process. Sipromote lo music, siwufake kuma-streaming platforms, sisende ne-music video kulamanye, depending ukuthi lo music wenu unjani, and siyipromote kanjalo. So that's another project.
Funding le bitwa ngama-grants la khona kunama-organizations lafana kwe-UNESCO labatawuthi sine-grant funding yemali lengaka but yekwenta lokuthi ita i-specific ukuthi sifuna ukuthi abantu abafuna kwenta nawo umsebenzi nawo sicela ukuthi ba-apply, then you apply for grant funding best way I told. So we've got UNESCO, we've got other fundings.
The good thing about AI, about social media, nearly a production on Facebook and Instagram, you see, call, mhlambe sengifedilana the whole day, so got a post that would be, namhlanje would see another posters to be. Make use of social media and AI with your own schedule. That's it. You still have to have a schedule of your marketing and promotions.
As artists, our expressions might challenge norms and provoke thought that we must also respect e-compliance in various areas. To be copyright laws, health safety regulations in terms of contracts. Each event we take part from galleries to festivals comes with its own set of rules designed to create safe, enjoyable experience for all.
But the one thing that I can assure you is that creatives are really and they know how to actually make a plan when there are no plans. When nobody is taking care of creatives, do not be under the impression that they will be taken care of. They will actually do it themselves, you know, in one way or another.
My question was, if you want to perform at Stage Fire, what do you do?
Kukhona sinayo open applications bavuleka nga-October of the previous year. So i-bushfire next year atawuvuleka October 1 this year. So kuba khona a period where you can submit i-application yakho yokuperform. And then njengoba ngishito ikhona nalelenye for laba maybe laba say that are still not as well known. The Firefly one. Now you sing at home and you think you've got the talent and you want to perform, you can apply for the Firefly competition. Lapo khona where if your talent is there, and of course you need to work on your craft as well, because it's not just the music performance as well, because you're creating a brand for yourself. You need to also thinking, how am I going to support my music through my social media page?
Another passive income is branding, merchandising, and partnerships. So if you get a deal with a major commercial company, it means that money will be flowing into your account because you're like the brand ambassador. You need to collaborate with people from other parts, because also it opens you a new market. It expands your fan base, because then you start sharing fans. Like, you know, those who love whoever you have collaborated with, they will also, okay, start liking you.